Hey, it's Bruce Carson with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast. Today I flew my drone over the neighborhood known as Tanglewood. It's a neighborhood in southwest Santa Maria, California. It's down by the corner of Black Road and Highway 1, very close to Rancho Maria Golf Course, and just a few miles north on Highway 1 from Orchid, from downtown Orchid. So Tanglewood is a pretty cool little neighborhood. It was built up after World War II in the late 50s. The house that we have for sale now was built in 1959. So it was really built up to accommodate families that were living down at Vandenberg Air Force Base and working at Vandenberg after the war. And so the neighborhood itself, it reflects, mid 20th century suburban planning. There's single family homes, smaller homes, mostly single level homes, and they're reasonably priced. They're a little over 1,000 square feet. The one that we have was built in 1959, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that's about 1,100 square feet. So the advantage to the Tanglewood neighborhood is the location. Right there off Black Road and Highway 1, so it's really close to Vandenberg Air Force Base. If you know Vandenberg, well, now it's Space Force Base, but there's not a lot of opportunities for places to live when you are stationed at Vandenberg. You can go down to Lompoc, you can go up to Guadalupe, or you can go into Santa Maria and Orchid. So these areas are very, very popular, and there are a lot of people at these bases. When Tanglewood was originally planned in 1959, the subdivision was actually going to be significantly larger. We don't know exactly what happened, why they didn't build out the whole entire thing. So as we fly over, you see that this is a really small little community. It almost looks like someone took a small town and just dropped it right in the middle of the fields. And you can see that as we fly over and circle around. But it is nice because we have all that open space down there in the Tanglewood area. As far as the neighborhood profile for Tanglewood, it's a rural suburban neighborhood with low population because there's just not a lot of houses there. But it is really nice because it's so close to Santa Maria and Orchid and Vandenberg and Guadalupe. So it's a small little community just on the side of Santa Maria. In the Tanglewood area in the southwest part of Santa Maria. This is a cool little neighborhood and a nice house that we have listed for sale. We're at 2040 Greenwood here in Santa Maria. It's a fully rehabbed house, just over 1,000 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We're gonna go inside and take a look. Okay, so now we're inside. There's obviously going to be a little bit of an echo because this house is empty. But you can see that it has been fully rehabbed. So we have all new windows. So we have the dual pane vinyl windows. We have LED lights throughout the house that you'll be able to see. We have a fresh coat of paint, new floors. So this house is really ready to be moved into and loved by its next family. So I'm gonna take the camera and do a handheld walk through the house. Okay, so here's our living area. This house was built in 1959. This whole neighborhood came in about that time. We're way down in southern Santa Maria, and we're very close to Highway 1 out by Rancho Maria Golf Course. So the reason why this neighborhood was built was after World War II, we had a lot of people at Vandenberg Air Force Base, and this was conveniently located near Vandenberg. So these houses came up. The original master plan community was going to be quite a bit larger than it is currently. I'm not exactly sure what happened, why they stopped building. So let's take a look. We have a nice coat closet here. We have our, I'd call this the main or master bedroom because it's connected to the bathroom here. So we have our closet, and we have our nicely rehabbed bathroom. Whoops. New LED lighting. Everything is new here, and we always like to see a GFCI outlet in the bathroom. So we have laundry hookups in this laundry room, and the door that goes out to the back. We're coming through the kitchen again. We have a nice stainless washing machine and appliances, nice gas stove, and the matching stainless steel refrigerator. Nice backsplash. Everything is new. Everything is new. So the countertops are new. This nice big sink. Cool modern lighting throughout. You can see this modern lighting. Modern lights in this bathroom as well. And again, this is all very tastefully done and new. So I wouldn't be surprised if the shower has not been used yet. And let's look at our other bedrooms. So again, we have 3 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. And the beauty of this fully rehabbed home is that it's listed for sale at $599,000. So for a house this size, with a nice yard and everything rehabbed, this is a real good value on a home. So let's take a look at the backyard as well. Nice and spacious. You can hear all the birds out here. Sounds like someone has some chickens. So it's really nice with egg prices the way they are now. Now in this backyard, you can talk to the city. There is quite a bit of room, so you might be able to put an accessory dwelling unit or something else out here in the backyard. So that's it.